What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Yes, we are cooking today's seafood broil today. Yup. Looks mighty tasty right now. But anyways, right now we are washing them down. We are washing the shrimp. And we got the crab legs in some water right now. We're going to wash that, scrub them down too. Because they have little particles and everything like that. And I don't think you want to be eating that. But yeah, that's what it is. And once this is done, we'll get back to you.
Alright, my gente, now that we have the shrimp and the crab's legs rinsing, we're going to start with eggs. We're going to boil some eggs, and we're going to put them in the way bottom. While these are cooking, and we're going to add some corn. I'm not going to add potato because I don't want potatoes on mine, but you could add whatever you want. This is your seafood boil, but I'm just giving you a little how the way we cook it. So, the corn and the eggs are there. So, once it's cooking, you're going to add kind of your seasonings, which is onion powder. So, I could just get some onion powder, garlic salt, and that's it.
Alright, everybody, well, we do got the eggs and the corn already boiling, so for meanwhile, right now we are going to set it up for the sauce. This is what we need for the sauce. You got your garlic salt, your Old Bay, your crushed red pepper, your paprika, your minced onions, your black pepper, your lemon pepper, your parsley, and your oregano, and you got some butter, and we got some lemon and some garlic. So this is what we got. This is what it is. It's how we're going to make the sauce.
But
right?
I have a twist to this, to the sauce. So right now when the sauce is already making, stay tuned for the little twist. And now we're back with the sausage boiling. It's already been boiling already for like 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to start adding the sausage, and we're going to let that boil for another 10. And then after that, we're going to add the shrimp and the crab legs. But right now, as soon as this, we're just going to add Old Bay, so it could start getting the little taste to this, to the sausage. And then we're going to close it, and then we'll be back.
Alright, so what you see here, we got the sauce brewing. Alright, so what you got here, we got butter and garlic mixing all together. Right now, we have put lemon pepper, paprika, crushed red pepper, oregano, garlic, salt, and black pepper, and Old Bay seasoning too.
A little bit more Old Bay to give it that color. And then my special ingredient, it's an Estrella Jalisco mango michelada. And we're going to add it to our butter sauce.
This is optional, okay? But, you know.
You could add anything you want. Sorry, I clean as I cooked. So you could add, or you could take it off, or you could add and take it off. This is cooking. Now we're going to put lemon and Old Bay on this. So we could start, so we could close it down. And then we'll be back with the crab legs. Alright, now that the sausage is cooking like about 8 minutes tonight, we're going to add the shrimp. And it's already cleaned, it's already, ya quita las venitas, so there's no problem with that. We love a lot of shrimp, so we're just going to make some. And then after like about another 5 minutes, we'll be back to put the crab legs. We're going to add the crab legs. And remember, these are done like in 10 minutes. 15 tops.
Yep.
Alright. Once all this is done, we'll be back, gente. Alright. Now we added the Old Bay seasoning and more lemon. We'll be back.
I'm there 3 times a week.
Alright, everybody. This is what it is. Yeah.